Well, good afternoon. This is Steve Jones. It's about 1 p.m. April 19th, 2023. I'm on the Lakeside Trail at Lake Lurleen State Park. Beautiful late spring day. I just marvel at the different shades of green this time of year. Not quite as beautiful as the fall colors, but still, I love the shades of green. 50 Shades of Green, borrowing from the movie 50 Shades of Gray. The water reflecting the blue sky. Down here you can see the sun dappling the sandy bottom. Wind out of the west. I'm pretty much walking into it. The shoreline rises. These are shallow hills here in this part of Alabama, a little north and west of Tuscaloosa. I'll be quiet so you can hear the birds and the breeze. There's the park beach, maybe a quarter mile in that direction. The trail I've just come up. I'll bring this to close. Steve Jones at Lake Lurleen State Park, early afternoon, April 19th, 2023.